Hey guys, it's Professor NFT. So before I get into it, remember, this is not financial advice and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. Alright, so today what I got for you guys, it's two upcoming NFTs that I'm feeling bullish on. The first one, of course, is Dino Dog's Kingdom. Sorry about that. Alright, so let me get straight to the reason. So one of the main reasons I like this project is because their artist, which is him, was part of an Oscar-winning team for the film Tenet. If you guys don't know it, I recommend it. I really like it. But it won an Oscar for Best Visual Effects. So he actually supervised the assets on the film, covering modeling, texturing, groom, and look dev. So we go ahead and hop on the Discord here. We see that the members are already at 20K, and then when we check their Twitter, we see that they have a following of 9K. All right, so I also like how the team is actually doxed as well, so that means it's less likely for us to even get rugged. This is his Instagram here, but let me go ahead and go back to the Discord. All right, so we see that there's going to be 3,500 Dino Dogs. That's a good quantity, and mint price is 0.99. For public pre-sale is 0.5. So my predictions is this will probably hit 2 SOL on the first day it comes out. The roadmap looks solid here, so let me go ahead and show you guys a roadmap. Where is it at here? Oh, right there. All right, so roadmap, it looks good. So you see in Q1, they're actually giving back and helping the welfare of all creatures, not just Dino Dogs. It is important to them. So in Q2 as well, we see how they're going to get into the metaverse, and we already know how big that is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description of their Discord below. Sorry about that. I'm going to put a link of Dino Dog's Discord in the description below. From what I know, there's still whitelist spots going on. And they always do contests and giveaways as well. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. So announcements like this one here. So time to enter the big leagues. The winners will get Dino Dogs NFTs and 20 whitelist spots to runner-ups. So to enter, you just got to do all these steps. And you guys might be able to actually win a whitelist spots and get a Dino Dog NFT. So the next project I got for you guys is actually Champions right here. Let me pump that up for you. So this one is all whitelist, which means you could only mint with a whitelist spot. The quantity is so low, it's at 222. I don't know why it says 221 here, but from what I read on their website, or from their FAQ page, where is it at? 222, yes. So there's still 20 white spots left. Whitelist spots left. Oh, sorry about that. There's still 20 whitelist spots left, and the competition is tough for the whitelist. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not even gonna try myself, but it's not too late. There's still a bunch of competitions they're probably gonna do. There's a bunch of Discord giveaways, Twitter giveaways, public whitelist rounds on the website, and pretty much contributions to the community, which means like if you make a song for them or you make fan art, and if they like it, they'll go ahead and give you a whitelist spot. So there's still time. The date's till January 31st, and mint price is 0.22 SOL, so that's actually hella good. I don't see this actually going down after it launches. I see this project hitting at least 2 SOL for sure. I know that's a lot to say, but in my honest opinion, that's what I think it will hit. So that's all for me today, you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys like the Dino Dogs NFT, go ahead, join their Discord below. I'll put their link in the description. Or if you guys like the Champions, I'll do that as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care. I'll see you guys later.